What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Actually starting to finally do some appearance mods to the Cummins. Might seem like small mods, but oh, the tripod's a little messed up here. That might be good. The appearance mods might seem like they're small, but that's kind of how every build starts. And I know that I could do like group builds, but some people always ask questions along the lines of like, whenever you buy like cheaper lights, like the mod I'm gonna show you today is an Amazon product. And they're always like, would you recommend it? Is it gonna last a long time? Should I go like Recon, or should I go like Morimoto, or like all the big hitters that are like third brake lights are like $200+. So let me go ahead and show you how this came packaged. I actually have some of the bubble wrap out of it, but let me go ahead and show you what it looks like and why I went with this one. But before we get to that, guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. It doesn't take any effort to do that. Helps with the YouTube algorithm, helps with everything. So go ahead and smash that like button before we get started. And I'm gonna show you, is an Amazon third brake light that's only, I don't know, less than $40 worth it, or should you go Morimoto? Let's find out. All right, so I got the locks on my street bike. I obviously have my address flipped upside down. The only thing that's different from what you're gonna see from completely unboxing this is it came wrapped in bubble wrap. That's literally the only difference, but I took that bubble wrap out so obviously I could look at it. So, yeah, I'll just set this up real quick. So, normally for the most case, let me make sure you guys can see that correctly. So normally for the most case, I prefer the black backing with the clear lens. But I will say this, if you go the cheaper route like I did with Amazon, you you want to go with this one over the clear lens, because with the cheap products and the clear lenses, from my experience in the past, they will discolor and they will turn yellow. So let's go ahead and just peel this off. So it's a full LED. You can see the ballast there that's hanging. This kind of always just gets tucked away, and this plugs in directly. And then you have your two Phillips bolts, or Phillips screws that plug in. And then on the back side, you have fresh gaskets all around it. And then this is all gasketed in, which is a little bit different than your factory one. So let's go ahead and get this in and let's see what it looks like. All right, so shouldn't take me more, but like 2 minutes to get this completely done. And this will kind of help you guys. Paper in my pocket. If you hear the wind, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can really do about it right now. It's actually a really nice day, but it is windy. Two Phillips. Just pulls out, unclips. I'm really hoping that that's showing that really well for you guys. I'm gonna tuck the ballast in through the hole that's inside there. The screws on top of the roof. So I'm gonna tuck the ballast in there so that it's not just hanging freely. Yeah, there we go. Just gonna clip it in. Normally you can do that with one hand. There we go. So we're just gonna fish the wires in. And something to note whenever you're putting this back together, do not make this super tight, because you will crack the lens. So once it's tight, all I'm doing is snugging it. Tight and snugging, and that's it. So like I was saying, for a very cheap $30 mod, you can see the difference. Let me get down on the truck here. And there you can really see the difference. Looks so much better than that. So let me show you what it looks like when I lock and unlock the truck so you guys can get a view of what it is. Alrighty. So lock the truck, nothing comes on, and unlock it. You will see that there are white LEDs, and then in the middle is also LEDs. I don't have anybody to press the brake lights, so I really can't show you that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So it's a nice, very nice cheap mod. And I think it completely changes how the back of the truck looks in comparison to, like, obviously the red lenses. And I have a different emblem too. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude today's video. I actually have a bunch of little stuff inside that's nice little pieces to kind of change the appearance of how the truck looks that I'm going to be doing. Like, I know that some of this stuff might seem small and you guys are like, look, I really don't want to watch the small stuff, but I know personally before I started buying stuff, when I first bought the truck, I'm like, man, I wonder if this is worth anything. And I wonder if there was a video out there that would really talk about, I don't know, is the cheaper end of stuff worth it compared to buying like I said, the recon stuff. And I will say this, my experience with Amazon with like the third brake light and stuff like that is, if you get the completely black lens, like I have, not like the clear lens with the black housing, normally you don't have any problems. And normally it looks really good for a really long time. But my past with the black housing clear lenses is the clear lens will fade over a course of time and it'll get like that yellowish, like cheap look. So that's why I always go with that look. I don't think the light output is as good on that, but it's an appearance mod to me. It's nothing more than that. But guys, I'm gonna wrap today's video up. I appreciate everything. If you guys have any questions about this, if you wanna buy it yourself, it'll be down in the link. I'm obviously using my links on Amazon. It's gonna help the channel grow. But guys, a lot of mods coming, a lot of stuff. But like I said, even if it's small, I wanna make sure that I'm covering every single part of this build of this truck, just in case whenever it's all said and done, if you guys want to do something similar, you have all the references to it. So guys, until next time, take care. See yous.